What happens when you take a vintage camper and turn it into a modern, comfortable, tiny retreat? Well, today we're going to see LarryBoy come to life because the electric is running, the plumbing is complete, and we even have warm showers. Hey everyone, it's Demetrius with another LarryBoy update. Things are moving right along, and I'm excited to show you some of the newest additions inside the camper. One of the features I'm really happy about is the custom built magazine cubby in the bed area. It's a great little storage space for books, magazines, or small items you want to keep within reach. And right beside it is an electrical outlet, so you can easily charge your phone, tablet, and other devices while relaxing in the bed. We also added a second magazine cubby in the dinette area, which gives us more storage. In a small camper, every bit of storage counts, and these cubbies make the space both functional and stylish. Now let's talk about systems that really bring LarryBoy to life. The electrical system is fully connected, and as you can see, everything is working beautifully. The fireplace, air condition, and microwave are all up and running, which is a huge milestone in this build. Another exciting update is that the indoor plumbing is complete. That means sink, shower, and water system are all installed and ready to go. We even have a small electric water heater. Behind the scenes, we've installed the solar controller and the RV power converter, which will help manage power whether plugged in or running on solar. It's amazing to see how far LarryBoy has come. Every step brings us closer to the finish line. The interior is really coming together, and pretty soon we'll be transitioning to the outside portion of this rebuild. And for those of you who asked how you can support the project, LarryBoy does have an Amazon wish list with a few items that will help finish out the build. If you'd like to contribute something to the camper, the link is in the description below. LarryBoy is shaping up to be one smooth, handsome camper, and I can't wait to show you what's next. Thanks so much for following along this journey, and trust me, you're not going to want to miss the next phase when we start transforming the exterior.